Imagine making a pencil for your child's SAT tests or your grandchild's first pencil. The possibilities are endless. Every step is easy to achieve, the process is fun, and the results are satisfying and rewarding. The Pencil Factory in a box can be enjoyed by your entire family right on your kitchen counter. It is easy to use and allow young and old alike to make professional-grade pencils without woodworking experience or ability. The pencil precision is machined from solid aluminum and anodized to create a beautiful finish. Additionally, the plain iron and dies are made from hardened tool steel. The pencil precision from Bridge City Toolworks is amazingly innovative and built with unmatched quality. For planing the pencil blanks, install one blank into the plane sled unit and tighten the locking knob. Using the plane, make multiple passes until the plane no longer cuts. Repeat the process with a second blank. Once that is completed, install the blanks into the side groove and plane until it no longer cuts any more wood. Flip the blanks and repeat the process on the other side. Now, the hexagonal pencil blanks are ready for the lead to be mounted. To install the lead, apply glue evenly on the blank. Then, rest the assembly back onto the plain sled unit and tighten the locking knob to clamp the pencil at the middle section. You can make 3 more pencil profiles. To make a rounded pencil profile, you need to use the round die set. Next, install the hexagonal pencil into the orange die. Keep turning the handle until the pencil is pushed through the dies completely. To make a beaded pencil profile, replicate the same process with the beaded dies. To make a rouleau pencil profile, replicate the same process with the rouleau dies. Want to paint your pencil? Set the orange arms aside. Rotate the handle clockwise to secure the pencil against the orange arms. Now you can paint your pencil. Insert the pencil into the scoring arm. Insert the scored end into the pencil cutter hole. Place the ferrule into the tenon end. Now, insert an eraser into the ferrule. Your pencil is now complete. All you need to do is sharpen it and your pencil will be ready to use.